And what's up, guys? In this quick video, I'll be showing you how to fix your display condition on your Elementor page builder. You can see from the new upgrade they have been doing, you'll notice that some things are currently not really showing or not in the place where it's supposed to be. So let me quickly just show you what I can do on why creating my single pages. You can see I was trying to create this single page. Like this just a sample page. I was just trying to create this, and if you notice, by the time after creating, I tried to set the display condition. You can see that the display, there's no option for me to set the display condition. So how do I solve this? Let me quickly just show you what I did.
Hello everyone, you're welcome to Blast channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one.
So what I did was to just come over here, and now this is my dashboard. What I did was to come to Elementor. But now let me quickly just put something clear here. If you are having this issue probably on your header or on your footer, just check the video that is showing up here, or you can just check the description box below. I'll be dropping a link to a specific video where I fix that of the header and the footer. So I'll just check those videos. But if it has to do with the single pages, I think this particular video is for you. So now what you're going to just do from here now is just come over to your Elementor, hover on Elementor here, then come to your page builder. Just click on the page builder. Now after clicking on page builder, you are going to see these are all the things you've set already for your website. What I created was, this is the particular one I created. I just worked on, that's the single page I created. Now this has to do with posts. Now what I need to do, just come is single post. That was the particular template. Now I'll just click on the single post. Then what I will now do is to just come, you can see I have my edit condition over here. So you have to click on edit condition, then you can now add the condition of how you want it to look, where you want it to appear, and just click on save. Same thing if you have the single page, the same thing. If you click here, you will see all this. Then you click on edit condition and save. Add the condition. You can see edit condition. Then you add your condition where you want it to appear and where you don't want it to appear. Just add it, and once you're done, you click on save. You can also apply the same process to you. If you have probably use Elementor to build your footer and your header, you can do the same thing over here. You can see this is for footer. You can see add condition. You see also then same thing for the header. You can also do the same thing, add condition. You edit the condition, and so that is just how you go about it.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.